With a successful spike. KK in 40 out. Oh, we got. Okay, left on,
I know rates are down right now, but 100% never find yourself in this situation. I know because I worked for North American Van Lines, and every time I was in El Paso or some bordered state, some guy would come up to me and I'm like, nope, not interested, not even looking at him. You know, question of the day, have you ever been offered some money to take a box or two or a person or two? Because here's some raw video that just recently happened out in Texas where there was a high-speed chase. This guy steals a semi-truck from a truck stop. So make sure you lock your doors. And he had 18 people in his 18-wheeler going over stop signs. Mother truckers, stay safe out there. But here's some raw footage of this so that you can see this, so that you know it is 100% not worth it.
River, 602, I wonder I'm sorry.
Frank, that's right.
Yeah, nigga.
So if Sammy is going into Pierce Hall.
Doing 602, we're gonna be on.
With a successful spike. KK in 40 out. Oh, we got. Okay, left on, KK.
You just took down a stop sign. Just 14, Laredo. ¿Cuántos son? 15, 16. ¿15? 16 más o menos. A ver.